Guys, let's take the rear of your bike from looking like this to this. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an install of some lights. Let's check these things out. These are the Custom Dynamics low profile LED Bagz lights. Now they're gonna go right here, as you saw from the little preview footage that I showed you there. And let's get to installing them. Let's take the seat off first. This screw right here. So here's the packaging, and we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Instructions. Okay. These are for they're zip ties and little pads that will stick on the inside of your saddlebag that holds the wiring in place. We've got our adapter that will go in place for the run, brake, yada yada yada, and then the lights themselves. I got them in the smoked lens, and you're gonna have one for the left and one for the right. So the light, I'm not sure if you can see it here, but this one's got a purple wire on it, is going to be the left. It's pretty obvious when you look at these things, the way they go, because they do have kind of an angle here. So the wire is going to want to be on the inside of the saddlebag. Okay, so I've already cleaned the rear of the saddlebag here, but I have not taken the tape off here. Now, to reveal the adhesive. We're gonna test fit this, and I do have the lid latched. I'm only gonna do the left side here just to show you guys how to do this. If you have it butted up against the lid, you might run into some problems. So you want to give yourself a little bit of a gap here, and mark where you're gonna put it, and then come back and remove the adhesive and stick it on there. When you stick it on there, just some good pressure for about a minute. Don't push too hard. You don't want to take the chance of breaking these things. So there you can say we got the we got the left side in. We're gonna close the lid again, latch it. We got this small little bit of gap in between the lid and the light itself. And we'll do the right side, and then I will show you some other stuff here. We're going to secure this wire here onto the side of the saddlebag, and we'll be using these zip ties and these little plastic holders for the tie downs. We'll be using them to secure the wire to the saddlebag. So let's get the saddlebag off. We'll do that, and then we'll get to doing the rest of it. All right, so you can see we secured these bad boys in 3 different spots. Again, just use an alcohol prep pad, wax and grease remover, something to clean up the inside, and then we'll snip these excess from the zip ties off. And that's all there is to it. You're going to rinse and repeat for the right side, and I'm not going to bother showing you that. And then we'll do the BCM relearn or calibration, whatever it's called. Now we're going to connect the harness, and then give you a nice little picture here of where everything's supposed to be. So 21 and later street and road glide. This is our connector right here. And our wire with the purple is going to go over here on the left. The other one goes over here on the right. Now, after I do the BCM relearn or whatever it actually is called, I don't remember off the top of my head. What we'll do, they give you additional zip ties, and I'll secure all this wiring so it's nice and neat. But no need to show you guys that because it's kind of a no-brainer. Okay, it's actually called a BCM sync. Now we're going to turn the ignition on, four-way hazards on, and then the ignition off. Four-way hazards on, ignition off. We're going to let that run 3 to 4 minutes. Then we'll turn the ignition on, hazards off. All right, we're all installed here, and we've got, see, this is just the run. I'm going to move the camera a little bit. I have plans to replace this one too, you know. All right, so left turn signal, let's go. We got nice sequential, bright light, right turn signal, or left turn signal, sorry. Yeah, I don't know my left from my right. Look at that. Looking good. Brake. Brake from the rear. Nice. All right, so there it is. It's a quick, easy install of the Custom Dynamics LED Bagz lights. Low profile with the smoke light. Yeah, it's too much to say. Anyway, it's really simple. Even with recording, it's only taken me an hour, and I should have done it on a day when it was a little bit less hot because I'm out here sweating a little bit. Anyway, that's it. You guys have any comments, please like, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.